to everyone that is here. I don't take it for granted that Nilapa, you've taken time out of your days to just be here for me, and I am so grateful for that. The second thing is, I think a huge part of my life story is really embedded in my name. You know, it means His mercies are everlasting. And my life has been a testament of that through the community that I've received and the service that I've received from the people in my life, and just the support that I've received. The mercies of God literally have always hunted me down. The goodness of God has literally always been at the heels of my feet. And I do not take that for granted. So thank you so much for forming part of my community. I don't take it for granted. Could you please do that for the next young woman that is going to come after me as well? Because that's the only way it's going to work out. We don't come, from glamour. We don't come from, a big and buzzing city or cities. But all we have is each other. All we have is the community and the service that we often offer each other. I only made it through really as a public voter. I didn't even expect that. I only made it through as a public voter, or the winner of the public vote rather, because of you guys. I didn't expect that. I don't know why, but you know what, maybe we're just gonna make it, obviously by the grace of God. And all I wanted was to make it and go prove myself there. Little did I know that God would give me even more than that. No matter how small our town was, no matter how small my community was, who said that we were going to win as 10. We weren't going to win as thousands of an army, but we were going to win as the small number as we are. And really we did. All we needed was each other, and it proved that community and service to one another is all that we need. And I think the last or second part of it is just that my life has always been one of grace. I don't know how this happened. I don't know how it happens. I can't connect the dots for you and say that and this is how the footsteps follow. But I do know that the grace of God has always been upon my life. I know that the goodness of God has always been upon my life. And if there's anything that I would want to leave with any young person or any person in this place, is that God is good. God is good, and He is in the complexities of our lives. He's in the small, minute details of our lives, even when we don't see it. I couldn't have even fathomed, even just last year, that something like this would happen for me. But the consistency and just the prayer and just trusting in God, I commit my life to God every single day, starting over. And that's all that I trust. There's nothing I trust. I don't trust my height. I don't trust my face. I don't trust my body. I don't trust even the gym that I go to all the time. I work out all the time. My friends often laugh at me. So yes, I am, but that's not even what I trust. The trust that I have is in the Lord, and that is that. There's nothing else. So if there's one thing that I want to leave with the young women here today is I trust in God. Commit your life to Him in all your ways, and you will see His hand in your life over and over again. There is nothing greater than that. There is nothing that you can trust in that is above that. We as Kohlisa, if that is what you are thinking of doing, that's where it lies, your dreams, your purpose, your passion, your life that you dream of. It's literally right at the center of trusting God. And that's it for me. Thank you so much.
Ndingu Anathi Khave kwindaba zeZwelitsha Online TV ndiseqonce.